Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Generation Old School. If this is your first time passing by the channel, my name is William. In this channel, we celebrate the beauty of American classic cars. If you like classic cars from the 1940s, 1950s, and early 60s, I would like to invite you to subscribe to this YouTube channel. And also, don't forget to turn on your bell notification. That way, YouTube sends you an alert every time that I upload a new video. This is a 1956 Chevy Belair that we have for sale. This car, as you can see, is fully restored. It has all of the accessories available for this car in 1956, like the Continental kit, the bumper guards, not only in the rear, but also in the front, dual exhaust, the gas cap, as you guys know, in all 56 models is through the rear driver tail light. Something nice and something that only is available for 1956. 1955 had it on the side. The car also has modern rims, American racing, with new tires, new radial tires. Like I mentioned, bumper guards. Those were accessories for the car in this year. The paint in the car is beautiful. It's a bright red with white. All of the chrome in the car are in excellent condition. The spear from front to back is in great condition. Not one single dent that I can see. If I see anything, trust me, I will point it out to you guys. The Continental kit is beautiful. It gives you access to the trunk. In order for you to access the trunk, you have to pull up this latch and bring the tire backwards slowly so you don't dent anything. Let's now get the key so that I can show you the trunk. This car is also equipped with air conditioning, vintage air, which is the best air conditioning that you can buy for your classic car. Let me show you the trunk before I continue showing you the rest of the car. Trunk is kind of heavy. Take a look at this. Obviously, you're missing a tire because the spare tire that was there is now in the Continental kit, but you still have the original jack. Plastic carpet for the trunk, and take a look at the bottom of the car. Trunk floors are in excellent condition. This car has been fully restored, like I mentioned a few seconds ago, and this car honestly doesn't need anything. You close the trunk, you push the tire slowly, and you give it one extra push, and now the tire is locked in place. Dual exhaust. Moving on to the interior, the car has tinted glass. The glass is tinted. The glass was replaced in this car, so this is not tinted windows. The glass is actually tinted. You could buy it like that. It's actually very expensive. Door panels are bi-color, white and red, to match the exterior of the car. You have a visor, something that you don't usually see in 56 Chevy Belairs, but this one has it. Like I mentioned, this one has all the available options that you could possibly find for this car. It has a brand new interior, a smaller steering wheel. This is just a cover. You can remove it if you don't like it. Underneath, you have the black steering wheel, the skinny steering wheel, but it's just a smaller steering wheel. Horn works. You have the vent for the AC. As you can see, I was driving it and I had the AC on, so you can see a little bit of condensation on the outside of the AC vent. Brand new carpet all around. Brand new plastic mats to protect the red carpet in the car. Accessories to be able to open the windows, the cowl band, the door. Look how clean this car is. Super, super nice car. I gotta be careful with my finger because I just noticed that it's kind of greasy and dirty, and I don't want to dirty this car or stain anything. As you can see over here, you have speakers behind the clock. You also have more speakers. This radio is a Bluetooth radio that you can connect your phone and listen to music and even talk to other people in the radio whenever they call you. This is a mic that you could leave it here somewhere, and it's going to be able to pick up your voice. And you can talk to people via Bluetooth, just like you do in any regular car. There you go. The engine was fully rebuilt. The engine doesn't smoke, doesn't burn any oil. Doors shut nicely. If you're wondering, we're asking $77,000 for this 1956 Belair. You can call us 305-783-0755. We can help with transportation, shipping, anywhere in the United States. Let me show you the engine really quick. Like I mentioned, original VA 263 or 265. I don't remember right now. Aluminum radiator, AC condenser, AC compressor, original carburetor cleaner, the 12 volts alternator, original brake booster. This car came originally equipped with a brake booster. You have the power steering pump right below the alternator, water pump. It has a radiator shroud for better cooling, and a brand new battery. Hoses are in excellent conditions. Take a look at the radiator support of this car. It's a beautiful car, guys. This car was fully restored, not only in the inside, but also outside and underneath. Let me go to the back so that I can show you how nice it looks back here. It has a new gas tank. Take a look at the floors of this car. It's a beautiful car. As you can see, I don't have a lift, but I'm doing the best that I can to give you guys the best experience possible. Take a look at the chassis, at the frame, floorboards. This car has no rust. Even the chrome down here is in excellent conditions with no rock chips or anything like that. Let's do one final walk around before we go on a test drive. Again, we're asking $77,000 for this car. You can give us a call, 305-783-0755. Let's go ahead and turn on the AC because it's really hot. This car, I believe I already mentioned that, it's equipped with a 700 R4 transmission. I believe the transmission is a 4-speed transmission with overdrive. Obviously, all of the gauges work in the car: temperature, gas gauge, speedometer, turn signals. The radio works as well. Very nice, very nice. And I love the fact that you can actually connect it to Bluetooth and listen to your favorite playlist from the 1950s. And while you cruise in this 1956 Chevy Belair. Guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please give the video a like, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and if you're already subscribed, be sure that you have the post notifications turned on, the little icon, the little bell next to the subscribe button. That way, every time that I upload a video, YouTube sends you an alert letting you know that I uploaded a video. And again, if you want to purchase this vehicle, you can give us a call, 305-783-0755. Trust me, you're not going to be disappointed with this car, with the way it drives, the way it looks, the way it feels. It feels very tight. It feels good. It feels like you can cruise in this car anywhere without the fear of breaking up or that something is going to happen to you. Nothing like that. Even the steering wheel has no play, and it doesn't pull to the left or to the right as you brake. Beautiful car. Beautiful, beautiful car. I wish I could keep it. Thank you so much for watching the video, and God bless you all.